Hi, this is Chris Lawn from Lakeview Cottage Kids, and in today's video we're going to take a look at how to do the purl stitch in the English style of knitting. I've already on my circular needle cast on my stitches, and I've done a few rows of stitches both in knit and some in purl. And in this case I want to show you how to do the purl stitch in English style knitting. And in order to do that, you need to have your yarn in front of your work, and we need to get our attention, and the way I do that is to take my pinky finger and bring the yarn between my pinky finger and my ring finger on my right hand and wrap that around. Then let the yarn go across my two middle fingers and then put my pointer finger underneath the yarn. I'll do that a little bit faster. And we're ready to go. Now to do the purl stitch, what you want to do is put your needle down from top right to lower left. And you want to take your yarn and put it over the top and around the point of your needle. Pull the loop through and then pull that stitch off of your left needle. We'll do it again. Put the needle down from upper right to lower left. Wrap the yarn around your needle point, pull the loop through, and pull the stitch off of the left needle. The key to remember also is to keep this yarn in front of your work. Once again, put it through from upper right to lower left. Make your X in front of your left hand needle. Put the yarn around, pull through for your loop, and then pull the whole stitch off. That's doing the purl stitch in the English style of knitting. Again, this is Chris Lawn. Thanks, I hope that helps.